Hi, I'm Stacey with WTI. These days we have so many different cords in our house and really we never have enough places to plug them in. That's why we decided to try these awesome outlets. These are from WEBANG and these outlets have a USB and a USB-C outlet on them, so you have a little bit extra in your electrical outlets. The outlets themselves were very easy to install. They're a duplex, so you do get two electrical sockets. And in addition, they were very easy because they're the push in or curl option to replace them with your existing outlets. The pieces themselves are made out of a durable plastic, and the cover itself, once you have your outlet on, you put your cover on and it snaps in place no problem. They're very sturdy feeling, and once you have them plugged in, they make it so that you cannot put anything in them except something electrical, which is a great safety feature, particularly if you have kids. I really appreciate that. It also has a high-speed charging function, so once you plug the USB or the USB-C in here, you'll find that it has no lag, but rather it charges as if you were putting it into a regular outlet charger. These are a great alternative for your home because, like I said, these days we all have so much that we're trying to charge and plug in, and rather than fighting over all of the extra blocks that you have to put in and trying to fit them in, why not go with an option like this that has everything in one place, saving you a little bit of space and a little bit more peace in your home knowing you have that extra spot. But that's just my point of view.